Ever pondered the staggering prevalence of depression in today's world and the urgent need for effective treatment? Well, you're not alone. The quest for understanding depression and its myriad treatments is a journey undertaken by countless researchers, doctors, and patients worldwide. Depression, a complex and multifaceted ailment, necessitates an equally complex range of treatment options. Diverse types of depression medications exist, each with their unique mechanisms of action, benefits, and side effects. Delving into the first category, there are the selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, or SSRIs. These medications, with names like Prozac and Zoloft, increase the levels of serotonin, a neurotransmitter associated with feelings of well-being and happiness in the brain. They work by blocking the reabsorption of serotonin into neurons, thus making more of this feel-good chemical available in the brain. Next up, we find serotonin and norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors, or SNRIs. These medications, like Effexor and Cymbalta, increase the levels of both serotonin and norepinephrine in the brain. Norepinephrine, another neurotransmitter, is often associated with alertness and energy. Then there are the older but still in use tricyclic antidepressants, or TCAs. These medications, such as Elavil and Tofranil, increase the levels of serotonin and norepinephrine in the brain, similar to SNRIs, but with a different mechanism and typically more side effects. Lastly, we have a category known as atypical antidepressants. These are a mixed bag of medications, like Wellbutrin and Remeron, that don't fit neatly into other categories and have diverse mechanisms of action. While each group of medications has its unique benefits, SSRIs and SNRIs are generally considered first-line treatments due to their effectiveness and more tolerable side effect profiles compared to older medications like TCAs. However, the best medication for any individual is highly dependent on their unique symptoms, overall health, and response to medication. In the realm of research, there are exciting developments on the horizon. Scientists are exploring long-acting antidepressants that could provide relief with fewer doses, potentially improving adherence to treatment. Novel targets for depression treatment are also being investigated, such as the glutamate system, which could lead to entirely new classes of medications. In summary, the landscape of depression treatment is vast and varied, with medications ranging from SSRIs and SNRIs to TCAs and atypical antidepressants. Each type works in a distinct way to increase certain neurotransmitters in the brain, with SSRIs and SNRIs often being the first line of treatment. Nevertheless, the most effective medication always depends on the individual's unique circumstances. And with ongoing research into long-acting treatments and new targets for medication, the future of depression treatment holds great promise.